back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video, please excuse my voice because I'm still recovering from the cold which I got through. And this video is totally about, it's almost like a sunset kind of a makeup eyeshadow look, and you can pull this look off for any occasion you have in your family. It can be any wedding, it can be any reception, it can be any such invitations which you will be getting during this entire winter season. And this is particularly about like almost pinkish and yellowish sunset kind of a makeup look. So this is what I have achieved throughout this entire video. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video.
Hi everyone, so today I will be doing my makeup with the Revolution Petra palette, and I chose this palette because it has got all sorts of colors, which for my second swatch video of this particular palette. So I will be using the Morphe brushes which Rani Di has gifted me, so of course I have to use it. I will be choosing first a pretty base, like almost like a whitish kind of a shade, so as my base is clear and so my eyeshadow gets visible more. So एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट सा काम है कि आपके आईज़ का बेस को ना आप लोग क्लियर रखो. मतलब अगर आपका डार्क सर्कल्स है या कुछ भी है, कंसीलर, फाउंडेशंस, कुछ भी आप उसके ऊपर यूज़ करके आईज़ शुड बी वेरी वेरी क्लियर. So I am taking a very white shimmery kind of a shade over here and applying it just underneath my eyebrows, so that एक दूर से एक highlighting effect हो for the eyeshadow, particularly for the eyeshadow. So once this is done, I will be choosing my base color, which is yellow. So I will be using some of the brushes from Miniso as well. So okay, so first I will be doing my eyebrows, because वो eyebrows के लिए ना ये brushes कुछ ज़्यादा ही sharp है उसका edges, so it gives it a very smooth finish for my eyebrows. So here I'm using a very basic black shade for my eyebrows. What I'm just doing is that I'm just shaping it and just filling it up in some part of my eyebrows. एक काम करते हैं, आप लोग भी कर लीजिए. एक शार्प ब्रश लेके, ब्लैक शेड लेके आप जस्ट एक आउटर एक आउटलाइन बना लीजिए और उसके अंदर जस्ट फिल इन द गैप्स ऑफ योर आईब्राउज, सो दैट बिकम्स मच मोर ईजियर एंड वो बहुत ज़्यादा फेक नहीं लगता है. मतलब बहुत जन का होता है कि आईब्राउज बनाते हैं, वो दूर से पता चलता है दैट इट इज़ फेक, इट इज़ बीइंग मेड. सो इन दिस प्रोसेस ना विच आई एम डूइंग ओवर हियर, इट डज़ नॉट लुक्स फेक एट ऑल. इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट एज क्लोज टू एज natural eyebrows it looks like. So after I'm done with my eyebrows, I will be moving towards my eyeshadow. So this is particularly basically kind of like a sunset kind of an eyeshadow. I will be using the yellow shade from this particular palette. So this palette does not have any names or certain, so I would have mentioned the names. So I'm gonna use the yellow shade in the inner corners of my eyes, of my both the eyes. As you can see, I am just dabbing the shade on my eyes. I am not swiping it up. I'm just softly dabbing it and then smudging it all across my inner eye. I will be using the yellow eyeshadow and filling it up, especially the inner corners of my eye, because that would be the highlight, because I am wearing something yellow of course. And if you guys are planning on to wear something yellow, कोई भी अगर सिंपल सा भी येलो कुर्ती हो या सलवार सूट हो उसके साथ भी you can pair up this look, because it's pretty simple. बस 2 या 3 कलर का मिक्सचर है and it's very good. It's like almost like your eye game changes at like to a whole new level altogether. So next I will be taking another shade from this pretty palette which is gifted to me by Rani Di, of course. So I will be using the shade, I think kind of a reddish kind of a shade. I will, yeah, so you guys can see it's kind of a copperish reddish kind of a shade. So this one I will be using after the yellow part, so the red one will be there in the middle. As you guys will be able to see, I am smudging. First of all, when you are applying an eyeshadow, make sure you're dabbing the eyeshadow on your eyes. It's not that you will be rubbing it off. So once you have dabbed the eyeshadow in the first place, then you can just smoothly smudge it and then blend it with the remaining color on your eyes. So first I dabbed it and then I blending it with the yellow and then the red. So in this process ना कोई भी सेग्रीगेशन या फिर कोई भी कंपार्टमेंट नहीं हो जाते कि इस तरफ एक येलो कलर है फिर उसके बाद एक रेड है, दोनों के बीच में कोई मतलब ब्लेंड का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होता है ना, तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वियर्ड लगता है आपके आइज़ के ऊपर. तो कोशिश कीजिएगा कि आप वो कलर्स ना बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड करें. अगर ज़रूरत पड़े कि आपको येलो कलर को ज़्यादा लेना है ब्लेंडिंग के लिए, सो यू कैन ऑब्वियसली गो अहेड एंड टेक द येलो शेड अगेन एंड देन यू कैन ब्लेंड इट. Obviously, this is a very important step if you're doing any kind of an eyeshadow look. It just changes the game. So next I will be taking another shade. So here you guys will be able to see I am taking bit more of the reddish color because I felt that it was needed more. So next I will be using the pretty color from this Unicorn palette. I have done previously an eyeshadow makeup look with this particular palette. If you guys haven't checked it out already, I will mention it somewhere on the screen. You guys can definitely go ahead and check it. I am using the very beautiful purplish mauve kind of a shade from this palette and I am gonna apply it at the outer section of my eyes. So here again you guys will be able to see that I am dabbing the color first on my eyes and then I'm gonna blend it. So I think that you guys have seen a lot of YouTubers doing a lot of eyeshadow makeup looks and I am not the first one, which is pretty obvious. So बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना कि आप अगर ज़्यादा आई मेकअप करते हो, सोचो कि जो भी यूट्यूबर्स है या वो कुछ भी है, मतलब I personally felt it, so I'm sharing it with you guys. So वो क्या होता है ना कि अगर आप लोग ज़्यादा आपके आई बॉल्स के ऊपर मतलब आई लिड्स के ऊपर अगर आप लोग ज़्यादा प्रेशर दे के वो ब्रश और मतलब मेकअप करने का कोशिश करते हो ना, एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम योर आईज गेट्स हर्ट without even your own realization. So why I am particularly stressing on dabbing the eyeshadow and then smoothly blending it very softly is only because of this reason, because knowingly I don't want any of you guys to hurt your eyes, because like बहुत ही ज़्यादा अहमियत रखती है आपके आँखों और उसका ख्याल रखना आप लोग का ज़िम्मेदारी होता है. और मेरा ज़िम्मेदारी ये है कि मुझे जो कुछ भी फीलिंग्स है या फिर जो कुछ भी एक्सपीरियंस है, आई शेयर इट विथ यू गाइज सो यू गाइज वोंट मेक द सेम मिस्टेक. देयर वाज अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वेयर आई वाज डूइंग माय आई मेकअप एंड माय आईज वर ऑल वाटरी and then I understood that something is wrong, so I checked on it. Next I'm gonna use this purple shade from this Unicorn palette and then I'm gonna apply it at the outer section. So why I am taking the color second time, because I want the color to be prominent, I want the colors to be dark enough, to be prominent enough so that लोगों को समझ में आए. आई शेडो लगा रहे हो, अगर समझ में ना आए तो उसका फ़ायदा ही क्या है, मतलब मेरा तो यही है फंडा. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Next I'm gonna use this darker shade. It's a very beautiful shade, you know, sparkly है और dark भी है तो बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful लगता है. Just look at it, एक dab में ही you can see the difference over here. बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक अच्छा सा एक look आ जाता है आपके eyes में. So next I am thinking of doing a purplish kind of eye makeup look. Let me know in the comment section down below whether you guys want it or not. And also I was thinking that many of you requested me to do certain eye makeup looks, so all those looks will be coming soon, so don't worry on that part. So I think that my upper section of the eyes are almost done. So next what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take the same, so suppose you're starting with yellow then red then purple, so आपके नीचे eyelids के नीचे भी तो वो भी एक वो अलाइनमेंट रहना चाहिए कि पर्पल रेड एंड देन येलो. सो आई एम डूइंग दैट सेम थिंग इन माई अंडर द आईज एज वेल. वो एक अलाइनमेंट हो जाता है और उसके ऊपर अगर आप लोग चाहते हो तो यू कैन यूज़ अ काजल. आई डिडंट वांटेड टू यूज़ अ काजल बिकॉज रियली उसका ज़रूरत नहीं था, बिकॉज आफ्टर आईलाइनर एंड मस्कारा काजल का ज़रूरत नहीं था मुझे, सो आई डिडंट अप्लाई द काजल. सो हियर आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग द कलर्स अगेन एट द अंडर माई आई according to the alignment which I did for the upper section of my eyes. So my eye makeup is particularly kind of done. Next, what do you guys think is coming up? Next, what is the foremost important thing which I never ever miss out in any of my eyeshadow looks? So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think the next step would be. Because अगर आप लोग मुझे फॉलो करते हो इतने दिन से, तो अब तक तो आप लोगों को पता चल ही जाना चाहिए. So I'm gonna quickly do my eyes with the mascara. What do you guys think? Like, applying a mascara does really makes a difference. I feel that it does. Really feel it changes your, the mascara changes the look, and it enhances the eyeshadow, whatever eyeshadow you're doing, whatever eye makeup look. Even if you just are applying only the mascara, उसमें भी आपका आईज एनहांस होता है, बिकॉज ब्लैक इज़ सच अ ब्यूटिफुल शेड, और आईज के ऊपर इट जस्ट लुक्स रैविशिंग. व्हाट यू गाइज थिंक? Let me know in the comment section down below. And how are you guys doing? How is the situation, like, wherever you are living right now? Let me know. I would really love to know. So the next step would be, obviously, what do you guys think? Tell me what do you guys think. So here now I had some excess on my eyes, and next step would be obviously the one which I was asking you guys कि क्या हो सकता है. Next I'm gonna take a sparkly shade from this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna apply it at the inner corners of my eyes. And before applying the sparkly shade, I am just doing my bit of kajal. मतलब पूरा लाइन नहीं मैं खींच रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट फ्रॉम द इनर सेक्शन टू द मिड सेक्शन ऑफ माई आईज. आई एम नॉट जस्ट डूइंग इट, एंड ये बहुत लाइटली मैंने किया है. मतलब वो बोल्ड जो काजल होता है वैसे मैंने अप्लाई नहीं किया है. मैंने बहुत लाइटली यूज़ किया है उसको, ताकि मतलब एक हल्का सा टच रहे. एंड नेक्स्ट द स्टेप वुड बी ऑफ कोर्स माई फेवरेट, द स्पार्कल एट द इनर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ माई आईज. So what do you guys think? Do you really like, are you guys enjoying this particular series kind of videos, like makeup looks? Because I have loads to do. I have been sent so many gifts from Rani Di, and I just hope that she gets better. She is ill right now, and I just hope that she gets better and rocks, because we have a lot of content coming up. We have so many things planned up. So I'm I just want her to, like everyone of a family, I just want them to get better and stronger. I'm just applying my sparkle thing at the inner corners of my eyes, and my makeup look is almost done. So let me know in the comment section down below as to how you found out this video, and was this video helpful. Next I'm gonna be using the blush, because blush is, previously I never used to apply blush in my makeup looks. So currently, with all the brushes which I have got from Rani Di, I have to make use it, and all the brushes are so good, so fascinating ना. आप लोग use ना किए बगैर नहीं रह सकते हो. Here I'm using the blush because I just have this blush only, and ये blush बहुत पुराना भी हो चुका है. So I'm just using it because I have this one blush only. So I'm just taking a very small dab of it and just gently applying it on my cheek. cheek bones के ऊपर apply करना है आपको, और थोड़ा सा आपके nose के section में, ताकि वो एक अलग सा एक glow दिखे.
That was it for today's video, guys, I do really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section down below if you have any other video request or any other makeup look which you want to see. I am doing many more eyeshadow makeup looks because obviously I have received so many things, and if you haven't watched that video yet, I will link it somewhere on the screen, or I will mention it in the description box down below. So please don't forget to check that out even. And also I am doing many more makeup looks, and if you haven't participated in my Diwali giveaway yet, I will mention the link somewhere on the screen, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out. And don't forget to comment down below as to how you did found out this video, because that feedback would be really useful for me to make further and further more such kind of videos. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.